What's going on, y'all? Happy New Year. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, man, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Appreciate you for joining us, man. We just out here trying to get another day in of fishing, man. The water kind of low. We got a little overcast, man. We've been getting some rain, so we've been getting a lot of rain, but the water's still real low. Just saw something jump over there. Just saw something turn up. Y'all see how low this water is, man. We'll go ahead and see if we can get something going. Yeah, look, it turned up again. I'm gonna cast out here, man. In fact, I'm gonna walk out in the water a little bit. And I think I'm gonna make my way on the other side over there. Work my way around over here by that tree down. It's starting to look like they jumping already, man. Looks like they already active. I'm ready, man. Let's get to it. Gonna get some fishing here. I'm back out again with this spinner reel. Just got my little float cork weighted down with a little jig on it. Told y'all about the ones I'm gonna start making. It's gonna be similar to this right here. So I'm gonna be a little different. I ain't gonna walk out there right now. See what's right here. They could have been out here last night hitting them. And I mean, they probably just turned off now. I see a lot of tracks out here, but that could be from another day. But a lot of people do fish out here at night. And I was one of them. I've done it before out here. Let's just see if this morning time bring anything. See what's going on. Y'all hear that alarm? Like screeching. I can't tell if that's an animal or what that is. Y'all let me know in the comments what that sound is, man. I don't know what that is. Where you at? Oh. shallow, man. You over there out fishing me? All right, y'all. It's starting to rain a little bit, man. It's we got a little misty rain coming down right now. I still want to make my way to the other side real quick and see what's going on over there. But I'm looking back here, man. It been some activity up in this little point, up in that little section right there. So I'm probably gonna head up in there, walk my way back around there, and just fish off that side. So I'm gonna check both of them out. I still got my little line right here in the water, but wasn't nothing hidden, man. So I just gave myself a little break. Just saw something just turn up right there too. Something just turned up right there, man. Y'all saw it. So they turning up out here, man. They just ain't hitting. They ain't hitting. See if I can bring them to me though. I done made my way to this other side, man. Y'all see how shallow it is? Look at that, man. Right where I'm standing, that water used to be at. I figured I was hitting enough. You got some crappie that's hidden, but they ain't hitting as much. That's what's hidden right there. Yeah, you see the jig still in his mouth. Look at that. Still in his mouth. He tried to get me, yeah. He looking at the camera. Man, I think I'm gonna do a catch, clean, cook, man. I'm gonna go ahead, I already caught it. So I think I'm gonna clean it up, man. And I got me some pliers, I'm gonna strip it down. I ain't gonna fillet it. Although I might fillet it, I might just fillet some the meat up out of there and get the rest to the birds. I don't think he like that. But oh yeah, I caught a crappie too, man. Caught a little crappie off in here. So he bled out though. Time he hit the lure, he started bleeding. So I'm gonna try to catch a couple more, man, and I'm gonna make my way back onto the other side. So we know the crappie hidden, we know the catfish hidden. I think that's what hit me the other day, man. Yeah, that had to be what hit me. Because when it hit, it rolled over. I saw the belly. I saw the underbelly before anything. And it got off real quick. Quick as it got on, man, it got off. But I got a chance to see that underbelly, and it was fat, man. About the size of that one there, a little bit bigger. I'm just bobbing this baby. That's all I've been doing all day, man. Just getting a little bounce. Crappie hit a little weird. A little different, I'd say. It was a little different. Crappie hit like a bass. Snatched it. Bam. Catfish came and hit it. Slowly took it down like a crappie. See, they out here turning up. They've been out here doing that all day. But them the only 2 bites I got. What I caught. You got fish jumping all over the place out here, man. They ain't jumping on the hook. Every now and then you might get a bite. But for the most part, man, they ain't been doing nothing. You just out here casting out. I've been trying different things, man. I had like 4 or 5 different setups already. Probably more than that. It probably was me that just bounced. Probably was me. We'll cast out a couple more times, man, and we're gonna head over to the other side and I'll get this cook on, man, before it get too late. Times of the year you can come out here and just bounce it a couple times, man, and they'll snatch it on. But not sure if the water being so low have anything to do with the fact that they're not hitting the way they used to hit. But sometimes they'll pick up in the afternoon. Sometimes they'll wait till, you can catch them early in the morning. But you come out here, man, and you just do this right here, and you light them up for the most part. Like I was saying though earlier, you probably got a lot of people coming out here fishing at nighttime, wiping it out. My stomach growling. I think I want to go and cook that food up. Go get the fish right. Look like something just hit. A lot of stuff down there at the bottom. Like it's real shallow, so I could be dragging the bottom, man. But a lot of time when you see it bouncing like that, if you bouncing it and it start dragging, probably dragging a fish. all that. Got it. Whatever it is. Whatever it is. Might be another catfish. Oh, that look like a crappie up. That's a crappie up, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When I don't put it up out of there, man, I hope y'all caught that, man. Y'all probably didn't even see that thing, man. That's crazy. Y'all probably didn't even see me snag that. I hope you did. See, all I'm doing really is practicing, y'all. I'm getting my technique right. I was over there by the house the other day, and I was practicing, man, and I was trying them out. I messed around and I hit 2 of them. Like I said, I hit that. I think it was a catfish. That joker was just showed the bottom. So I ain't seen nothing but the bottom of it, right? And the other one was a crappie. Nice size crappie too. I know I said my last, but that's how it is when you hit something. Oh man. Oh yeah. See, that's why I said I'm practicing, y'all. I'm practicing, get my game up. Y'all saw that joker just took it up under there. I ain't give it time to take it. Yeah. Still fish from the other side, man. I ain't mad. I came over here and I caught 3 over here, so I ain't gonna complain about that, right? I ain't gonna mess with the catfish. I ain't gonna do nothing with the cat. Take the cat home. We're gonna hook the cat up another day. But these crappie, we finna do these in now. Not a big one. Had me a little stump to clean it on, man, but I think I used this rock right there. All the guts on the inside up. I like to clean that little white scale off of there, off the inside of the fish. Take that little fishy taste out of there. You know, some people might like that little fishy taste, man, but I ain't crazy about it. In fact, I ain't used to mind it, you know, but now it's like I taste it, man. I don't even want the fish no more. They say the older you get, taste buds change, right? So I guess that's what's happening. My taste buds changing. Can't put it on the seat. So that's it right there. We got both of these jokers cleaned up. Good. Let the fire get hot. Another thing I like to do with my fish, you can see that slime coming off of there. I like to run a knife across it. Just run it across the smooth, you know, on the smooth side. And get all that stuff off of there. Come off real easy. When I'm running on the water though, I like to scrape it off to make sure. So I go over it several times, but you know, out here I can go over it maybe once or twice. Knock this stuff off of here. Just slime, y'all. That's all it is. It's slime from the fish in the water. Do the same thing with this one. Nice and clean. Overall. I'm gonna take old catfish, man, and get him set up for taking him home. I think I might make some catfish nuggets tonight. Probably tomorrow. He ain't that big, man. Once I cut him down and get all the meat up out of him, he ain't gonna be that much meat. It just look like it right now, but that joke ain't that big. He was a nice fight though. He was worth it. You know, I think I'm gonna go ahead and fish for a little bit. And we're gonna let this do what it do. It's gonna take a while for it to actually catch. I ain't set it up the way I needed it to, but it's starting to. Glad I ain't losing it. It's starting to go. The fire, y'all. I'm gonna throw right over here. I don't want to throw out there. I've been seeing everything jump out there, but you throw right over here. I could probably throw out over here. Got him. Got him. Give me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice crappie there, y'all. That's a nice one. I'm starting to pick them up a little bit. I ain't gonna cook number 2, y'all. About 9 inches right there. I ain't gonna cook no more than 2 though. Just gonna let that be. We getting there. Looking good, man. It's looking good. I ain't trying to eat sushi, so I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer. I'm scared to throw back out there in the water, man. I might end up catching something. Oh yeah. That look ready right there, don't it? Man, it's going down. Let me give me some of that. Oh yeah. Gotta clean my hands, but man. Oh yeah. I can definitely get some of this side here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that real close. Got that meat looking good. Oh. Hands dirty, but the fish good. I'm dropping it. Oh my goodness. Oh, put the occasion on anything. You need to take that with you everywhere you go. Man, this thing got some steak on it, but it definitely got some bones in it too. Like I said, that's what I like about crappie, but Man, them bones, I'm telling you, they be something else. Gotta be careful. Mm, mm. I can't do it like them old folk. Them old folk, they can throw a whole bone and a whole fish in their mouth, man. Pull out never bone. Garfield style. Some of y'all too young for Garfield. Oh man. Mm. This is good. I'm gonna keep on eating this fish, man. I'm gonna finish. I think this one here still smoking. I'm gonna let this joker smoke and do whatever it's doing. Cause the fire that fire ain't gone, but it's gone. Let this little fish here cook some more. I'm gonna enjoy this, man. I appreciate you guys checking this out with me, man. I've been wanting to do a clean cook for you guys for the longest, man, but never got around to it. Things weren't working out at the spot. Wasn't catching nothing. Whatever the case was, man, we got it done today. And it's good, man. I can't lie to you. This is real good. Got my own little seasoning on it. Well, got Louisiana seasoning on it. Got a little Louisiana seasoning on it, man, but can't lie. I enjoyed it. I'm gonna finish eating this fish, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button for me, man, cause if you like this fish in this video, it's free. Wish I could share it with you. I'll be back on the water soon, man, and y'all stay tuned for the next episode. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this fish. I don't want to eat too much on camera, like a wild man. But this is a good day, man. Good trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna go ahead. They still out here jumping, man. I'll be out here all night fishing. Till next time, y'all stay safe. Go fishing. Peace.